This is brought to you by frostbitesystems.com. In this episode today, we're going to install Linux Mint 9 64-bit with the GNOME desktop. Real easy to do. Just pop your CD in your CD drive, and then when the live CD boots in, we just come over to the Install Linux Mint icon. Double click on that. If you have 2 gigs of RAM and a dual core processor or better, you're probably going to want to try to run a 64-bit system. This particular one, I've been running Mint 9 64-bit for a while now, and the thing runs awesome. I have absolutely no problems with it. Okay, we're at the first step. You got to pick your language. So pick the language, click on forward. Okay, you gotta select your time zones. Click forward. Okay, select your keyboard layout, click forward again. Alright, prepare your disk space. I always use erase and use an entire disk. You can install them side by side if you want. If you know how to partition manually, you can do that also. I'm always switching operating systems, and it gives you a nice clean install, so I always use erase and use entire disk. Click forward. Alright, now we're at the Who Are You screen. What's your name? Which will be the name of your computer. Call it Frostbite Systems. Choose your password. We'll ask you to re-enter your password. Okay, then you can choose to log in automatically, require my password to log in, or require my password to log in and decrypt my home folder. Pick whichever one of those that you want. And we'll click on forward again. Alright, then it's going to ask if you're ready to install. Gives you all your information. You can go check that out. Make sure everything's good, which it is, so we want to install it. So we just click on install. And there you have it, starting to install Linux Mint 9 64-bit with the GNOME desktop on your hard drive. Okay, now the installation is complete. This Mint installs really fast, maybe 15-20 minutes or so, depending upon your computer. So all we need to do now is restart. So we click on restart now. It will eject your CD and ask you to hit enter. And there you have it. After restart, it brings you to the Linux Mint 9 desktop, and you are done. This thing's ready to go right out of the box. You can watch all your videos, listen to your music, do whatever. As I said before, this particular 64-bit system works real well. I've been using it for a while. I have no complaints about it, and I hope you enjoy it also. Remember to check out our blog at frostbitesystems.org, and we also have a brand new website called frostbitemedia.org. We do all kinds of interesting podcasts with people from the open source community. You got Jonathan hosting that, so check that out, and have a wonderful day.